how to enable 144 or 244 or even any hertz that you have on your monitor. Now, in the end, it will really still be depending on what monitor you have. Some monitors have only support 60 hertz or maybe 144 hertz. It will be depending on the brand or the monitor you have. What you need to make sure is you need to make sure that you're using these heavy duties and wires or cables that supports those kind of hertz for your monitor. This one is a VGA wired cable, and the other one is the HDMI cable. These cables supports any hertz of any kinds of monitor. So right now I'm currently using VGA on my monitor, and unfortunately my monitor only supports 60 hertz refresh rate. So for you to be able to go ahead and check on how you can see what hertz do you have in your current monitor, just right click on your desktop and go to display settings. You scroll all the way down and click on advanced display settings. From here, I'm currently using a laptop and then an external monitor. So you just have to change the display to display number 2. Now this is my current monitor, which is only supports 60 hertz for the refresh rate. And then for you to be able to get into those specific informations, you'll just have to click on display adapter properties for the current display that you choose. Now from here, you can go ahead to monitor and you can click on these options. So if you click on these options, there will be plenty of resolutions or refresh rates that you can choose depending on what monitor you have. So you just have to, for example, click on 60 hertz and then just click on apply and then OK. And then you should enable the what specific hertz that you want for your current monitor. So that's how you enable 144 or 244 or any hertz for your monitor.